Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Hire Me Canada for latest information on technical jobs in Canada. Today we are going to share some insights regarding PLC and SCADA related jobs in Canada. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the very first one we are going to talk about is SCADA engineer in manufacturing sector of Canada. With increasing use of automation in manufacturing industry, the demand for SCADA engineers is growing. SCADA engineers work in various industries, as you know, such as automotive, aerospace, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and lot more. In regards to the salary, I would say that being a SCADA engineer would be a real good choice in terms of money and skills earned. Although the salary varies depending upon experience, qualifications, and industry you work in, but on an average, a SCADA engineer in Canada can earn between 60,000 Canadian dollars to 120,000 Canadian dollars per year. Entry-level SCADA engineers can expect to earn around 60,000 Canadian dollars to 80,000 Canadian dollars per year, while when you get experience, you can earn up to 120,000 Canadian dollars or even more. Let's talk about what are the top companies you need to focus on if you're planning to build a career as SCADA or PLC programmer. I would say start by top automation and design companies in Canada, and Rockwell is one of them. Rockwell Automation is a leading provider of industrial automation and information technology solutions. The company employs SCADA programmers to design, develop, and maintain SCADA systems for their clients. I would highly recommend to check their career page for current openings. Some of the most common and recurring job opportunities at Rockwell Automation includes PLC field engineer, control system engineer, control and automation project engineer, PLC programmer, system integrator. Rockwell Automation has a decent number of openings for recent graduates as well. Therefore, if you do not have any experience, you need not to worry. They have a lot of opportunities all over Canada with no experience required. So the next in the line is Honeywell. I am pretty sure that most of you must have heard this name. It is a global technology company that offers a wide range of industrial automation and control system solutions, including SCADA and PLC systems. Here is a general overview for the salaries for SCADA and PLC jobs at Honeywell. They offer a wide range of job opportunities such as control engineer, application engineer, and automation engineer. If we talk about the salaries, all these designations pay really well. Other jobs which you can apply if you have more than 5 years of experience in automation includes Senior Program Specialist for their big projects and Senior Facilities Maintenance Supervisor. If you're looking for more information, do check their career page. Now this is an interesting one. Most of the automation engineers want to work as a government employee, but they do not know where to start from. Don't you worry, we are here to help you. Here are various federal and city jobs for PLC and SCADA programmers in Canada. Few of these include CBSA, Canadian Border Service Agency. It is responsible for providing border services to people and goods coming into Canada. They frequently hire PLC programmers and SCADA specialists to maintain and upgrade their border control systems. You can also apply for city jobs as well, such as City of Toronto, City of Mississauga, and various other field regions all over Canada. The next one is Canadian Nuclear Laboratories. These laboratories operates and manages Canadian nuclear research facilities. They frequently hire PLC programmers and SCADA specialists to maintain and upgrade their nuclear control systems as well. Do check hydro sector of each city as well, such as Toronto Hydro, Calgary Hydro, and a lot more. There are several perks of being a federal employee, such as great salaries, great benefits, profit sharing, and a culture of bonus giving every year. Thank you friends for watching the video on PLC and SCADA jobs in Canada. We hope that this information served its purpose and helped you find the various career opportunities in this field. Stay tuned and subscribe our channel Hire Me Canada for more informative content. We will be sharing a lot of job opportunities in Canada in our upcoming videos. If you have any question regarding this video, drop it in the comment box and we would be happily entertaining it.